Good day everyone. Once again, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss the surface area of a solid figure and its net. In this lesson, you will learn how to visualize the surface area of solid figures such as cube, prism, pyramid, cone, cylinder, and sphere. You will also learn the formula to be used in solving surface area and how to solve it. Also, I'll be giving you the nets of each solid figure. And lastly, the units of measure for the surface area to be used will also tackle. If you are ready, then let us now begin. At first, let us have the definition of terms. First, surface area, and then second, solid figures. When we speak of surface area, this refers to the sum of the areas of all the surfaces of a solid figure. Meaning to say, kukunin lang natin lahat ng areas and then pagsasama-samahin, yun yung tinatawag nating surface area. And when we speak of a solid figure or solid figures, these are figures made from different plane figures such as square, rectangle, triangle, and the like. So again, once na alam natin on how to get the areas of different plane figures, then we can perform this what you call surface area. In solving for surface area, it is very important that you know what plane figure is represented by its face. Another way of describing the surface area of a solid figure is through determining the area of its net. Now, ano ba itong net na sinasabi? When we say net, it is a flat pattern that you can fold to form a solid figure. So mamaya, makikita nyo yung net ng bawat solid figure na ating tatalakayin. Okay, for us to know, these are the units of measure for the surface area. To measure surface area, we'll be using square units such as square millimeter, square centimeter, square decimeter, square meter, square kilometer, square inch, square foot, square yard, or square mile. So ito yung iba't ibang units na pwede nating gamitin in getting the surface area of a different figures or shapes. Okay? Sphere is a space figure with such a shape that every point on it is of the same distance to the center. So sphere is almost the same with the circle. Ano? Ang difference lang nila, pag sinabing sphere, it is a solid figure, while a circle is a plane figure. And to get the surface area of a sphere, it is equal to 4 times the product of the pi and square of the radius. In symbol, it is 4 pi r squared. And looking at our illustration here, meron tayong given sphere na kung saan divided into 4 circles. Alam natin basically that the area of a circle is pi r squared. At dahil ito nga ay 4, so lumalabas na kapag pinagsama-sama siya, magkakaroon tayo ng surface area of 4 pi r squared. And on the other side, dun sa kanang bahagi, ito naman yung net of a sphere na para bang spring. Na kapag binuklat natin, ito ang ating makikita. Okay? Let us answer this example. Find the surface area of a sphere with a radius of 3 centimeters. Use 3.14 for pi. So a while ago, sabi natin that the surface area of a sphere is equivalent to 4 then pi r squared. If we are going to continue solving this, I copy 4 and then replace p or pi ng 3.14. So yun ang value natin. And then so happen that the given radius here is 3. So that is 3 squared. Okay? Then let us continue. So copy 4. Then copy 3.14. And let us evaluate first 3 to the second power. Kasi kung susundin nga natin yung MDAS-PEMDAS rule, inuuna natin yung with exponent. Tama? And 3 squared means what? 3 times 3. So nagkataon that is equivalent to 9. Okay? Now time to compute 4 times 3.14 times 9. So alin ang gusto nyong unahin? 4 times 3.14 or 4 times 9 muna? Well, depende na yon sa inyo. So in my case, uunahin ko itong 4 times 3.14. So we have 4 times 4, the answer is 16. Okay, carry 1. And then 4 times 1, 4 times 1, the answer is 4 plus 1, it is 5. And lastly, 4 times 3, so that is 12. And since we have 2 decimal places here dun sa 3.14, so it is now 12.56. Okay? So ayusin lang natin, 12.56 ang kinalabasan dito. So 12.56. And 12.56 is the product of 4 and 3.14. So multiply natin siya ngayon sa 9. Okay? So to continue, gusto niyo bang makita ng mas maganda? Dito natin isolve sa kabila. 12.56, okay, times 9. So 9 times 6 is 54, carry 5. 9 times 5 is 45, plus 5, it is what? 50, okay, carry 5. And 9 times 2 is 18, plus 5, that is 23, so carry 2. And 9 times 1 is 9, plus 2 here is 11. So again, meron tayo dito sa taas na 2 decimal places. So from the end, move tayo ng 1, 2 units to the left. Okay? That's why meron na tayong 113.04 watt cm squared or square centimeter. At ito ang ating surface area sa problem na ito. Let us have another example. But this time, let's say ang given ay diameter. Okay? Instead of radius, diameter ang ibinigay. And then, sabihin na natin ang given diameter. For instance, sa case na to ay 6 meters. Okay? At dahil diameter, which is equivalent to 6 meters, ang gagawin natin to get its radius, okay, yung 6, i-divide natin sa 2. Kasi nga, from the start, sabi natin, ang diameter ay twice of radius. At ang radius ay 1/2 of the diameter. Kaya naman, 6 divided by 2, lumalabas ang radius natin ay 3 meters. Okay? Now, since we are talking of a sphere, sabi natin, the surface area is equivalent to 4 pi r squared. Diba? So, kung 4 pi r squared, kanina we found out na yung 4 pi, which is, sabi natin ay 4 times 3.14. Diba? So, ang sagot, kung tandaan nyo, is 12.56. Okay? So, therefore, instead of 4 pi r squared, pwede rin yung gamitin yung 12.56 r squared. Okay? Instead of 4 pi r squared, pwede yung gamitin yung 12.56 r squared if the value of pi to be used ay 3.14. Okay? So, eto, kanina, sabi natin, given diameter is 6, then we found out na ang radius ay 3, almost the same with our first example. Diba? So, kung ito ang ating kalalabasan, again, we'll now have 12.56 times what? Times 3 to the second power. And again, 3 to the second power is 12.56. Ano ba ang 3 to the second power? Sabi nga natin, that is 9. Yun. Okay? So, kung pinompute natin ito kanina, ano nga ang 12.56 times 9? Sabi natin. So, nagkatulad yung naibigay na sample ng sir. So, 12.56 times 9, we have 54 here. And then carry 5. 9 times 5 is 45 plus 5. It's 50. Then carry 5. 9 times 2 is 18 plus 5. It's 23. Then carry 2. 9 times 1 is 9 plus 2 is 11. Then move 2 decimal places to the left. So, na kung saan, the answer is 113.04 square meter, being our surface area. Okay? Ayos.